This video is brought to you by Boutique FDB. Go check out their website for all your miniature painting needs. Welcome back, Slayers of the Gray. I'm Rob the Miniature Painter, and today we're painting Proxima Midnight by Marvel Crisis Protocols. We primed her with a German Panzer Gray, which is one of my go-to primers now for a dark primer. And to do the skin and her hair, we're going to be using this beautiful Frost Veil paint, which is a masterclass paint, by the way. So I do use a little bit more of the John Blanche and some historical paints in here, but hopefully you can find something that's similar, or like a Citadel color, or Vallejo, or whatever color you use. I'm just a huge fan of Army Paint. I always have been. And I have tried other paints, by the way. I just love the coverage on this one. Matte white is our next color here. We're going back to the War Paints Fanatics, just your matte white. You can use anything you want. We're doing all the little areas of her armor that are going to be this white color. Now, I know she ends up looking a little bit brighter than the actual artwork, but it kind of works. I find that what I did to it, it's not the best paint job, and I'm sure I'm going to get some dislikes on this one or some comments saying, you think this is good? I know it's not the best paint job, but you know what? It's painted. It looks good from 3 feet away. So unless you're literally putting it under the microscope, I mean, it won't show everything here. The next major part is miniatures, pretty much all the rest of our clothing, which is Stratus Blue. What a beautiful color too. This is a War Paints Fanatic one. At first I was like, okay, I'm just highlighting some areas and just like very glazing this over the other one. Then I'm like, you know what, this would probably be nice as all of her clothing, almost like it would be a little bit more different. Stratos Blue, has to do with the midnight. Although I think that the dark gray was already perfect in a way. But you have to have fun with your miniatures. You got to try stuff out once in a while, and that's what I'm doing here. Now, I already posted no, I did not. I actually received 2 more Black Order miniatures from someone, which is amazing. That's fun as well. When someone actually gives you miniatures, they're going to add to my Black Order. Now, I'm debating if I want to pick up the box with the, I think is it the Galaxy's Deadliest, which includes Nebula and Gamora, which would be cool to have with Thanos. Like, it's his children, and you have cards that work together with her. And I know they're not in the affiliation of the Black Order, but it would be kind of cool because, you have your roster of 10 people. It doesn't need to be all from the same faction. So you can have fun with that. And I was thinking of maybe getting that box, but I don't know if I want to put even more money into this. I was glad to get some free stuff from Atomic Mass Games. I put some money into my own models as well. So I don't know what I want to do here. Caribbean Ocean as a speed paint, but I put a lot of water in this brush, and I'm using this more as a wash / glaze on top of everything I just did to blend it all together. That was the point. Was I found that blue that I put on, that Stratos Blue, no, the other blue, I don't remember which one it was. Yeah, the Stratos Blue was just a little too bright on the clothing, and it kind of like meshed into the face and the hair and all that. So I just wanted to change it a little bit, which is kind of cool. She has this golden arm, like I guess it's maybe it's robotic. I don't remember seeing her in the movies. I could be wrong, and I don't follow much lore me when it comes to like the comics of Marvel. I know a little bit more of DC stuff, but I just go based off of TV shows, movies, stuff I see online, the wikis and stuff like that. So I don't really know a ton about characters, but it's always fun when I paint them, and it's always fun to learn, especially from you guys who know so much about them, and always like to comment about that stuff, and I love reading it, by the way. Don't forget, you can also join my channel, become a member. You get some exclusive perks, you get some cool stuff, you get some nice badges that I created myself, and I have some fun with that as well, and I get to chat with you guys directly. Sometimes I'm going to try and do some live streams with the members, and so on and so forth. Arctic Gem is our highlight color here on the hair, and then we're doing a final highlight with some bright sapphire just to really make that hair pop. and finalize the miniature. And again, this is a quick paint job, and it's not even with speed paint, so you can accomplish an amazing looking miniature in barely no time. So again, here she is in her final glory. I just put a little bit more in her staff there to make it a glowing effect. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to keep slaying the gray one miniature at a time.